Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Assistant in Honor X7E Plus. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and follow each step carefully for the best results.